Let's start after 5 minutes.
Okay.
Team members अभी join कर रहे हैं.
Sure, no worries. Okay, till the time you're here, if there's any seriousness, take it out of your head. Chalo, nikalo. Come on, move your hands, everyone. Seriousness, sadness, irritation. वो वाली निकालो, सारा एनर्जी निकालो, निकालते जाओ. Come on, Raja. Thank you for the smile. शुक्रिया. Guys, just बेझिझक laugh करो. ये है सेशन लाफ करने के लिए, ओके? इवन इफ anyone says, ये तो पागल तो नहीं हो गया, कुछ तो नहीं हो गया, are you mad? हाँ, I am mad today. Today I have come to become very, very mad. I've come here to become mad or funny, whatever. Okay, guys, everyone, come on, unmute yourself and निकालो serious पना, सारी serious. Pradhuman! He's my John. And my sweetheart. I love you. It's amazing. I have to, first of all, really thank Leading Edge Media for making Shilpi a little more madder than she has been. Okay, there's so much. I'm so relaxed and happy because of you guys. You guys are amazing, guys and girls. Okay, मैं सबको कर रही हूँ. Okay, all you men, women, young boys, girls, ladies, gents, whoever, just all of you are amazing. And they'll say shukriya, thank you. You all do such a great job. Okay, so every day tell yourself, I'm amazing. Come on, move your fingers. Get your fingers here, everyone. Okay, I'm amazing. Boliye, I'm amazing. Even if no one thinks, I know I'm amazing. Boliye. Come on, everyone, get your cameras on. In 2 minutes, if you don't get your cameras on, ना मैं सबके घर पहुंच जाऊंगी. मैं बता रही हूँ, सबके घर पहुंच जाऊंगी in my Supergirl outfit. ठीक है ना? Okay, come on.
Yeah.
Put your fingers here and say, I'm amazing. बोलिए,
I'm
unmute करिए.
amazing.
It's okay. I'm amazing. Chutki, you know that song, Chutki Kilaiyan, or whatever. So now you just take, this is called appreciation laughter. You put your fingers here, okay, and say, I'm amazing. Even if no one thinks, I know I'm amazing. बोलिए, and you need to tell this to yourself. Even if no one thinks and no one tells me, I know I'm amazing. Come on, put your fingers, hands here. चलो थोड़े बॉडी पार्ट्स को यूज करेंगे, ठीक है ना? अलाइव है ना सबके बॉडी पार्ट्स? पिंच करो. चोट लग रही है या नहीं लग रही है? थप्पड़ मारो. वर्किंग और नो? या वर्किंग? ओके, आई एम अमेजिंग. करिए. Come on, do this to yourself. I want to move, see all your fingers. I'm amazing. Jaldi. I'm amazing. Shrashti. Okay, I know so many of your names because my friends are with all of you. Okay, so yeah, this is so nice. I know some of you, not all of you, but some of you. And thank you again. Okay, now, should I start the session? Because a lot of people are not on camera. The idea is to be on the camera. Tell all your husbands, wives, बच्चास, whoever, kitchen, सबको बोलो, pause हो जाओ, statue बन जाओ, मैं यहाँ पे busy हूँ. Okay? Done? Okay, fine. I'll be just happy after the session if all of you are smiling for nothing at all, for no reason at all. I know that I have done my work. Okay? So I'll just introduce myself again. I'm Shilpi Bhatyani and I'm part of Leading Edge Media. I've been your client since December. And before I joined Leading Edge, I had started doing laughter yoga. Okay. And I have learned it with Dr. Madan Kataria, who's considered the laughter guru of India. Okay. So I'm a laughter yoga certified teacher. And every day I practice laughter yoga. Okay. Because all of us as adults, we don't practice Dharam now, oh God. अब मुझे कोई कंट्रोल करना. Calm down. Hey Dharam, Rini, thank you so much. Okay, Dharam has also practiced laughter yoga with me. So all of us as adults don't laugh enough. Okay, why? Because we are conscious of what people will think, right? Number one, very conscious. Yes or no? Okay. Who has the time to laugh? We have to work a lot. है ना? बच्चे ही लाफ करते हैं, हम पागल तो नहीं है. हम कब लाफ करेंगे? कॉमेडी, स्टूपिड कॉमेडी, किसी के ऊपर जोक्स डालेंगे, then we will laugh. But laughing normally is not possible. Why? Because we are adults and life is serious and we got to be serious. And if you're not serious, पैसे तो मिलेंगे नहीं. लाफ करने के लिए कौन पैसे देगा? right? So just basic, I'm telling you. But here we are to break all of those cancel, cancel, cancel. All of those stupid chords, cancel. And we are here to enjoy the next few minutes. Done? Can everyone give me a high five? Wow, super, super. सबके 5 fingers है. Wow. Okay, super, super. Okay. Ha. Okay. So I want to share this with you. We put finger to finger. Okay, I'm starting laughter yoga with you. Finger to finger, everyone fingers. Everyone's fingers working? Dharam, your hand is folded. Put both your fingers. Can I see both your hands? Everyone? Okay, fine. Finger to finger. Okay, your endorphins, your fingers map your energy. Okay, how you feel, it maps your energy. Your endorphins, serotonins, everything. The nerves are flowing on your palms. Okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to put fingers together and we're going to put palms together and we're going to do a basic laughter exercise called ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Okay, everyone, easy? या फिर से समझाती हूँ. हो हो हा हा हा. Ho ho ha ha ha. Ho ho ha ha ha. You can unmute yourself so that I can hear you all. Hello, unmute करो. किसी को shy होने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. कोई यहाँ पे shy नहीं होगा. Come on, unmute yourselves. Okay, ask to unmute. Can everyone unmute on their own? I have to unmute. मैं थक जाऊंगी अगर मैं खुद बोलते जाऊंगी. मैं बिल्कुल थक जाऊंगी. कोई तो मुझे हेल्प करे यहाँ पे. Okay, everyone, unmute yourselves. कर सकते हो unmute या नहीं? Okay, ask to unmute. Ask to unmute. Ask to unmute. Okay, quickly, we'll just do a little laughter exercises and then we'll dance a little. Okay, done, done. Okay, so we go here, finger to finger, palm to palm, everyone. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 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 Now we have to do something about unmuting all of you. Ask, unmute themselves. Okay, can everyone unmute yourselves now? I'm also figuring out this thing. Zoom, मुझे सब कुछ नहीं पता, मैं बता रही हूँ. चलो, everyone's unmuted, hopefully. Shrashti is there, Deepak. Okay, so now what we're going to do, anytime you feel stressed, okay, take a few deep breaths, okay? Okay, you inhale. So when you inhale, you exhale, okay? Again, you inhale, exhale, and then inhale, and put your hands together, and we'll go down like a snake. Everyone, रितु तो इतना सीरियस मुझे देख रही है कि पता नहीं है शिल्पी कर क्या रही है और हमसे करा करी है. रितु, मैंने आपको बोला ना सीरियस वाला पोर्शन निकाल दो हेड से. ओके, एवरीवन, breathe, exhale, normal exhale, then breathe, hands together, and go snake-like laughter. Okay. जैनाब को बहुत वो लग रही है, क्या कर रही है? Oh my God, कोई मुझे देख तो नहीं लेगा. Oh no. करिए, come on, everyone. Okay. And then when we're coming down like a snake, जब snake बहुत तंग हो जाता है तो क्या करता है? Psh, psh. Come on, everyone. Sting. Psh, psh. अपनी वो जो है ना irritating energy निकाल दो. Psh, psh. Come on, everyone, unmute yourselves. पार्टनर टीम, प्लीज सपोर्ट. पूनम जी, आप तो हंस रहे हो, अभी अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को. कम ऑन. सच में मैं किसी को नहीं खाती हूँ, मैं वेजिटेरियन हूँ. मैं किसी को नहीं खाती हूँ, आई प्रॉमिस यू. चलिए, कांट अनम्यूट. बाय. अरे यार, व्हाट इज दिस? जूम जी, अनम्यूट देमसेल्व्स तो मैंने ओ सॉरी, या नाउ अनम्यूट योरसेल्व्स. सॉरी, गलती हो गई. ओके, नाउ यू ऑल कैन अनम्यूट.
Yeah.
Yay! Yay! Okay, come on. Everyone, okay? We'll unmute ourselves and enjoy ourselves, okay? Come on. Inhale. Now again, inhale. Put your hands together like a snake and go. Okay, so this goes to say when we're inhaling and exhaling, we're doing it normally, but when we laugh, our exhaling is longer. Okay, and that's possible. So when you're breathing, inhale, exhale, but whenever you laugh, you're happier, your lungs are happier, you're relaxed. And our nervous system, all those PhDs of nervous systems, you're relaxed when you exhale with laughter. Okay, and once in a while, using the snake thing. Come on, move your fingers and go. Because every time we can't be laughing, na? Because there are all kinds of people who really irritate us. Hai na? There are a lot of people. Okay.
Yeah.
Name one person who really irritates you, like, can't stand it. Tell me. Come on, this is a safe space. One person. We'll only bless them. Don't worry, we won't say anything. अच्छा उसका पूरा नाम नहीं तो इनिशियल तो बता दो. कोई क्लाइंट है उसका सी बोलो बस. आई एम जस्ट जोकिंग बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग इरिटेशन होती है ना कि क्लाइंट बोल रहा है यार ये नहीं हुआ ये रीस के ये नहीं हुआ ये नहीं हुआ मैं पैसे दे रही हूँ मेरे ये. Okay, so we will do gibberish laughter. Okay, gibberish means what is gibberish? Like बच्चों की तरह. Okay, so you release yourself. ठीक है, gibberish laughter बहुत जरूरी है कि it's like I don't need to know everything. I'm here doing my job, and you're actually telling the client, कुछ नहीं तो gratitude ही कर लो in life, है ना? So there are a lot of things we don't have in our control. Okay, मम्मी ने कुछ बोल दिया, mother-in-law ने कुछ बोल दिया, मन करता है ना कि but नहीं करना, है ना? Breathe करो, breathe करो, breathe करो, breathe करो, release करो और just okay, unmute yourselves. Come on, let's do gibberish. करो gibberish. हेलो ये बैक एंड फोर्थ है मैं अकेली नहीं करूंगी रितु कम ऑन gibberish बोलो आवाज जैनब रूना कम रूना इज माय टीममेट कम ऑन रूना पूनम करो gibberish प्रदुमन अगे ना जब देखो अनम्यूट पे हो जाते ना प्रदुमन मैं मिलूंगी ना फिर बताऊंगी तुम्हें बताऊंगी अच्छा चलो करो Okay. Now, whenever you consciously, मैं आपको सारे अपने सीक्रेट टूल्स बता रही हूँ, ओके? आई एम गेटिंग इरिटेटेड. कई बार प्रदुमन रिस्पॉन्ड ही नहीं करता मेरे मैसेजेस को, इग्नोर ही कर देता है, तो मन करता है ब्रीथ, रिलीज, ब्रीथ, रिलीज एंड गो. Okay, we'll go like this. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Okay, Deepak? Good boy. Come on, unmute yourself and do ho ho ha ha with me. Ho ho ha ha. 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 सुपर 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 वेरी गुड. आई एग्री. फर्स्ट टाइम करने में बहुत मुश्किल होता है. जब मैंने किया था शुरू किया था मेरे ना जॉस पेन करते थे इतने पेन होते थे. आई हैड टू होल्ड माय फेस लाइक दिस. सो आई मस्ट टेल यू ऑल ऑफ यू आर वेरी वेरी गुड. थैंक यू. हाँ ठीक है शशि यू डोंट हैव टू लुक एट मी सो सीरियसली. ओके ओके आई थिंक यू कैन लाफ अ लिटिल. थोड़े दांत दिखा दो. चलो जैनाब के दांत हैं दिखाना जरा. ओके नाउ sometimes we look. I have a lot of soft toys by the way. I'm a little child again. And I'm so happy because I'm revisiting my inner child. I'm always with my inner child. Okay? Okay. Kabhi face aisa lagta hai na? Come on, everyone, make a face like this. Praduman, make a face, Praduman.
Praduman is shying away.
ना इसकी ना मैं बैंड बजाऊंगी जब मैं इसको मिलूंगी ना. मैं पता नहीं प्रदुमन तेरा क्या हाल होने वाला है. देख लो. चलो, मेक अ फेस. आची, पूनम. Okay. Now Okay, फिर से make a face. We start our days with ऐसे वाले फेसेस ना, यार फिर से आज काम करना है। हम लीडिंग एज मीडिया तो हमें ब्रेक ही नहीं लेता, जब देखो मैसेजेस क्लाइंट्स, मतलब होता है ना कई बार यू वांट टू रन अवे फ्रॉम योर लैपटॉप एंड कंप्यूटर, एंड ऐसा लगता है कि कंप्यूटर को उठा के ना फेंक दो और फिर हम गायब हो जाए, ऐसा लगता है। कई बार होता है, आई नो हाउ यू गाइज डू इट, सीरियसली मुझे तो लगता है कई बार कि मैं ना सोशल मीडिया से इतने दूर दूर चले जाऊं कि कोई मुझे जाने नहीं। लगता है वी ऑल वेक अप बिकॉज दे ऑल काइंड ऑफ एनर्जीज, है ना। इट्स नॉट जस्ट आवर एनर्जीज, ऑल काइंड ऑफ एनर्जीज। एंड डोंट आस्क, एज अ कोच मुझे कैसे कैसे वाहियात मैसेजेस आते हैं, प्रपोजल्स आते हैं, और फिर रील्स ऐसे आते हैं, मैं तो सीधा देख के डिलीट 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 डिलीट, but over a period of time. So we know the world is full of all kinds of people. We only have to take care of ourselves. Is that okay? Can we again take care of ourselves? Okay. Now I'll show this with you. Guys, if you all want to order, you can order, but women, please order this on Amazon. Okay. I wear this. Oops, can you see me? Is it
No,
clear?
no,
No,
it's not.
it's not clear. Wait, I will not blow my back. Okay, now
Yeah.
can you see?
Now it's clear. Yeah.
Yes. So I wear this, and every time I wear this, I go in my goddess energy. मन तो करता है किसी को थप्पड़ मारूं इतने जोर से, मुक्का मारूं, शूट करूं, ठक 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 ठक. I feel all my emotions like this. I feel it all, but then slowly I come here, I smile, and whenever I wear this, my goddess energy comes out, and I'm like, you know what? They deserve to be who they are. I am different, and I will live my life the way I want. Okay? This looks nice. Yes.
Yeah.
So now, does anyone have a crown or a soft toy? I'll give you 2 minutes because after this, we will do some dance. Okay. Everyone, quickly run inside your rooms. If you have a child, your child's soft toy, anything that makes you feel like, I'm gonna put my magic on, I'm gonna put my magic on. Come on. Everyone, leave your camera for 2 minutes. Go quickly, run and come back. Jaldi, 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 jaldi. Sujal, run. Anything, it doesn't matter. Wait, I'll tell you, I have this. This is a watering can. I put this on, pour some halo on me. I do funny things. Okay, and I love myself. For every nonsense I do, I love myself. Because who's gonna love you? No one. Only you to you. Okay? Okay, all the serious people on the house, get up, move your bums a little bit, raise them higher, 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 turn around, go to your rooms, around, find something funny, something quirky, and come back. I'll give you examples. Everywhere I go, I pick up something quirky. Okay, this is one. Secondly, okay, this owl. I'm a big collector of soft toys in the house. सब ले आए अपनी चीजें या नहीं? कुछ भी है, चम्मच ले आओ, चम्मच ही ले आओ, ग्लास ले आओ, कुछ तो ले आओ, अपने अलावा किसी और को ले आओ. What is that, Runa?
That's a Harry Potter keychain my daughter gave me.
Super, super. Okay, Himanshi, go get something. Oh my God, you have the same thing. Oh my God,
That's so cool.
I love you. Okay, Jyoti, what do you have? Oh, that's so cute, Zainab. Mug? Okay, super. Even I have a mug. Like, so, you know, guys, I'm on a very tough mountainous diet plan with Amura, which is based in Chennai. This every day, I'm only allowed 850 calories. But then I have a very clear goal, so I'm doing it. Okay? Okay, fine. Vedanti, what do you have with you? If nothing else, you can use your hair also. Don't worry. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, you so sweet. Archie, what do you have? What's that? Oh, that's what are they called?
Minion.
Minions,
Yeah.
minions.
Puna, what do you have? Oh, that's so cute. Which is this? The Teletubbies.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Pradhuman, show. I can't see Pradhuman. Show, open your mic and speak.
Glass, glass.
Glass. Perfect. Perfect. Rudy, what do you have? Oh, that's a life. Oh my God, I love cats. I love cats. Mwah. Where are you from? Where do you live? क्या हुआ? अनम्यूट नहीं कर सकते हो? हाँ
अहमदाबाद से।
ओ तो मैं तो आ रही हूँ अहमदाबाद, जब वेदर ठीक हो जाएगा और जब मेरा डाइट खत्म हो जाएगा तब मैं आ रही हूँ खाने के लिए, तब मैं आपसे मिलूंगी. ओके डन. ओके रितु, व्हाट डू यू हैव? Pradhuman has always sports gear. I know it. Ball, cock, ball. लगेगी ना चोट, इससे लाफ कर पाओगे? Okay, done, Pradhu. Sorry, Dharam. Sorry. Thank you. Chetna, what do you have? Oh, that's okay. Lion. Okay, we will do lion laughter also. Ritu, quickly, what do you have? Oh, teddy bear. So sweet. Himani. Okay, onion. Okay, Vedanti said. Archie showed. All of you have. Zainab, what do you have? Oh, that's so cool. Super. Okay, Vaisha.
Ask Rini.
Rini कहाँ है? मुझे दिख ही नहीं रही. Rini, camera. This is not done. Rini, come on the camera. धर्म ऐसे करो, जब लाइव इवेंट होगा ना मुझे बुला देना, मैं आ रही हूँ सबसे मिलने. सुजल कहाँ है तुम्हारा टॉय? Oh, that's so cute. Perfect. Okay. Deepak has gone. Everyone said they're not working right now. Okay, Rini, where are you? Rini, please come. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to put a little mute. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, I'm trying this for the first time. I don't know how we look. Sorry. Okay. Then I'll try. Can you hear the music? Can you hear the music? Music सुनाई दे रहे? No?
No, ma'am.
Oh no.
Oh, sorry. Let me figure this out. Okay, this is the problem. I don't know. Can someone be? No one can host this. Okay, wait. Yeah. Okay. Share sound. Optimize. Okay, now. Huh? What is this? Okay. Now.
Yeah, we could have a slight थोड़ा सा सुनाई दिया बीच में.
I can't see myself only now. कहाँ हूँ मैं? Can you listen?
Yes.
Okay, guys, just start laughing. Okay, now we can hear. Can we hear music? Okay, come
No,
on,
ma'am.
dancing. Come on, start dancing. You can't be serious in laughter. No, dance karo. Come on, everyone, move. खड़े होके laugh करें. Okay, everyone, you got to dance with the music. So it's a way to lighten yourself. And with your toy. Take your toy and dance with the toy. Okay? Come on, everyone. And laugh.
जैसे धूल उड़ा के सीन उठा के बाजी थम के ताल ढोल बेटरा चूड़ के नाचो हीरो थे भी तेज कोई कर सके जो बेज नाचो टपल में घोड़े जैसे भाग डोर छोड़ नाचो इतनी जो तो मोटा मिर्चा खा के ऐसे नाचो जा छोरे जा छोरे जा छोरे ना नाचो 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 फिर ना नाचो 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 यार नाचो नाचो
देखने की क्लास नहीं है, नाचने की क्लास है. Come on, everyone, नाच. Come on, you've got to release the stiff energy. Chetna, Rudy, come on, Shrashti, come on, all of you. Shrashti, you're with Pia, right? मैं पिया को बताऊंगी आपके बारे में. आप डांस कर रहे हो ना?
अपने साथ नाचो
Gonna look like passport pictures. Laugh, everyone. Did you laugh? Did you laugh? Okay, come on, everyone. Come on, everyone, come on. Come on, everyone, dance. You know, when you dance, you release endorphins, and I promise you're going to have a spectacular day. Pradhuman. Come on, dance, everyone. Sushal, come on. This is the time to share the dance floor.
Never seen anybody do that thing to do before. Hey, hey, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done,
No one's watching, guys. We are all are the same. कोई यहाँ पे किसी को कोई judge नहीं कर रहा. Come on, Puna. Good girl. Come on. Come on, Chetna. Come on, Runa.
dance my feet and look me in my eyes. It's like some monkey been dancing all day. Are you just begging to see me dance just one more time? Ooh, do heavy side.
Okay, super. One second. Oops. ये क्या था?
Hey, hey, dance for me, oh. I never seen anybody do that thing to do before. Hey,
Okay, can you hear me?
for me.
Both. I mean, we can hear you and the music also.
So should I reduce the music now?
Yeah.
नहीं पता इसको कैसे बंद करते हैं. Just see. I don't know how to turn it off. Oh.
I think go to the more option जो है वहां पे जाके click it and probably
क्या हो गया म्यूजिक को? Oh my God. क्या करूं?
go to that more option probably and then see the setting. You might find something there.
नहीं रिकॉर्ड ही आ रहा है. मैं रिकॉर्ड को पॉज कर देती हूँ. Okay, what we're going to do is just do some breathing exercise, and we're going to close in about 5-10 minutes. Okay, so let the noise remain. I think this is also divine alignment. And just take a few deep breaths. Inhale, exhale, and no matter what is going on around you, you can always bring your hands together, clap, and tell yourself, I've got me. Okay? And apne aap, when you laugh, you release a lot of negative energy, you release any kind of tension, it just gets released. Are you all able to hear me? Yeah? Okay, fine. Perfect. So just release whatever is not for you to carry, just release it. Okay? So again, breathe. Then breathe, inhale. Okay? Then inhale again. Take your hands together and just go. You can just smile gently. If nothing else, you can put your hands down and say, okay? There are a lot of things which are not in our control. But you know what? When you smile, you know you've got yourself. Okay? You can center yourself when you smile. Is that understood? Maybe the next time we meet, we'll get easy with this. Okay? Is that okay? So just smile, inhale, exhale. You can put your hands together and you can do the snake laughter. If nothing else, you can just look at yourself and smile for no reason. The idea is that you don't need a comedy, you don't need a joke show, you don't need to pull fun on someone. You can just smile. Okay? And even when you're with your laptop, you can smile and say, you know what? I'm really amazing. I'm really, really amazing. Okay, Dad? Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone, for this lovely session. And I hope you enjoyed. At least, even if nothing else, if we can start to laugh with ourselves, smile with ourselves, it's fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you, Shilpi, for your
Super. I'm
time.
so
ma'am.
happy.
Thank you.
Okay, now I got this.
Thank you.
I don't know why, but I'm not able to figure this out. Okay, I got it. I got it. Finally, I got this. Finally, I figured this out. See, even if we know everything, we can mess up and it is okay. And who cares? We're learning. We're learners all the time, like children. They're just learners. Okay. So and every day tell yourself, I'm so grateful. I'm really grateful I could do this. I'm so happy. Okay. And we don't need to know anything. We are just learning every day. Even if we mess up, you just have to say, so what? Okay. So what? I will learn. It's okay. Okay. So there's this amazing laughter exercise. I will share this with you. And we do this with Dr. Kataria every day. He's almost like 70 plus, and he's so wonderful. When we come on the Zoom sessions, he's laughing and so childlike. And because of that, I have also become so childlike, and I've just released anything which is serious. Okay. So come on, everyone, put your hands up. I make a mistake. You make a mistake. I make a mistake. You make a mistake. We all make mistakes. So what? So what? It's okay. We learn again. So what? Okay? And coming back to yourself like a child. Anytime, jo bhi bahar ho raha hai, but come back and say, you know what? Like Shrashti has had a stressful day today. Okay, Shrashti, sorry, I don't know all your clients, but if they're very mean and so do the gibberish. Okay, and then come back running to yourself and say, Shrashti, I'm coming back to you. Tha, 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 and put on some music and dance. And once you've danced, you've released that energy. So what? हाँ ठीक है, गलत ट्यून चले गया, गलत कंटेंट चले गया. So what यार? क्या हो गया? बस, you have to just say whenever client says, say so what यार? So what? Okay, we'll do it right. Human हूँ मैं, human. सुना है नाम? I'm human. And release and do this to yourself. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ho, ho, ha, ha. The fact that you can clap with both your hands, you are in the present, and say ho, ho, ha, ha, ho, ho, ha, ha, ho, ho, ha, ha, ho, ho, ha, ha. Okay? Done? This was fantastic. I really enjoyed. सूजल को हम स्माइल कैसे करवा सकते हैं? सूजल को सूजल की स्माइल कैसी है? दिखाना जरा सूजल. Wow, what a beautiful smile. Amazing. आपको पता है आपके सब क्लाइंट्स आप सबको कितना प्यार करते हैं? मेरा दिन शुरू होता है प्रदुमन 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 प्रदुमन. आज प्रदुमन कौन सी चीज, अनोखी चीज मेरे बारे में मुझे बताएगा? हर रोज सम कंटेंट में क्या निकलता है ना, लाइक हो इसको कैसे मालूम हो. ओके, फिर धर्म, रिनी, और there's another one on the group, उसका नाम नहीं पता, बस 11 पता है. Like that, we all are become like one family. Okay, and it is amazing. So you all are amazing. कोई कुछ भी बोले, say I am amazing. I know it. I am amazing. बोलो अपने आप को. Make funny faces. I am amazing. I am amazing. Okay, so amazing. Smile, be grateful, and enjoy your lives. अगली बार हम फिर से मिलेंगे और डोज करेंगे और लाफ्टर के अंदर इसको अंदर जाएंगे, मसाला भर भर के एंजॉय करेंगे. ओके, बट व्हेन देयर इज म्यूजिक प्लीज डांस. इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट. व्हेन यू डांस यू रिलीज अ लॉट ऑफ शिट एनर्जी. निकाल दो. You get it out, get it out, get it out, get it out, get it out. You can do this with your hand. Get it out, get it out, get it out, get it out. Okay? Okay, done. And all of you, big hug. Come on, let's give each other a big hug. Put your one hand here, and another here, and another here, and another here. Okay? Come on, everyone. Zainab, I don't see your hands, Zainab. Show me your pretty hands. Perfect. Praduman, give me a hug. सारे hugs तो मेरे से ले लेते हो, कुछ नहीं देते हो वापस में. चलो. Jyoti, Shrashti, Chetna, give me a hug. And some hearts. Hearts दे सकते हो? Hearts. कहाँ मेरा माउस? हाँ, ये रहा. मैं दे देती हूँ. पहले मैं दे देती हूँ. ले लो, ले लो, ले लो. देखो इतना बड़ा आ गया. वाह, 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 वाह. जितने रिलैक्स्ड होगे ना उतना एंजॉय करो. और सुबह अपने कंप्यूटर या लैपटॉप को खोलने से पहले थोड़ा लाफ्टर कर लेना. हो हा हा, हो हा हा. अगर आपकी क्लाइंट होगी, सपोज आई एम गिविंग एन एग्जांपल, सुजल वो आपकी क्लाइंट है ना, श्वेता मैडम, श्वेता मैम, हो हा हा, हो हा हा. किसकी क्लाइंट है? जिया. जिया होगी. आई एम ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट माय फ्रेंड्स. जिया, गुंजन, सारे आपके क्लाइंट्स है. गुंजन, हो हा हा, हो हा हा, हो हा हा. या कोई भी धर्म, धर्म से बात करना होगा. हो हा हा, धर्म, हो हा हा, हो. There's no stress, okay? Just enjoy. Okay? Done? I hope you all enjoyed the session and found it
Thank
valuable.
you.
Practice
Thank
it
you
if you
so
like.
much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. God
We
bless
loved
you
it.
all.
Thank you
Enjoy
so
your
much.
life. And more
Thank you,
laughter.
ma'am.
More laughter. Okay? More love, more laughter. That's it. And laugh with yourself. Laugh at yourself. Last fella. Take your fingers and laugh at yourself. First laugh. If you can laugh at yourself now, then you can do anything. Laugh at yourself. Okay? Laugh at yourself. And जब करते ना बहुत दर्द भी होती है. Next time we meet, please dance. Okay? Very important dance. And ये जो बीच में ना audio में you can hear someone laughing. That was Dr. Madan Katanga laughing. Okay? But Praduman has seen me. Praduman, you've seen me since December.
Yes, ma'am.
So there's been a huge change with laughter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am के अलावा प्रदुमन और बोलो ना, put you on spotlight. चलो. चलो प्रदुमन. Yeah, the mic is yours. बोलो. Shrishti and Praduman, talk now. Quickly talk. Yeah, laugh also. Come on. Praduman gaya. I tell you, Praduman's gone off the spotlight. Okay. Okay, so you want to say something? Poonam, Shrishti. Okay, Praduman, talk. Do you laugh a little more, Praduman?
मैम मुझे सिर्फ हंसी आ रही है अभी.
आती है? वैसे ही आती है. Very nice. I'm so happy. Shrishti, आज थोड़ा सा हंसने का increase हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so sweet. Okay, sorry, I can't see you. I put you on spotlight, the one in the blue t-shirt. I can't see your name.
Oh, I'm Jyoti.
Yeah, Jyoti. So are you going to laugh a little more today? Like 1 centimeter longer laughter?
Yes, definitely.
Thank you. I'm so happy you're here. Poonam.
Thank you.
Poonam, are you going to laugh a little longer? थोड़ा सा और ज्यादा laugh करोगे आज? थोड़ा सा, इतना ज्यादा? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Sujal, थोड़ा और laughter? Yes or no? Unmute करो. I can't hear you, Sujal. Unmute करो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Smile. Laughter. Okay? Okay. Archie, are you Archie?
Yes.
Yes. Are you going to smile a little more today? And smile with your teammates as well. Yeah?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. This was wonderful. And when you don't feel like smiling and you don't feel like saying anything, zip your mouth. एक्सप्रेशंस है डार्लिंग्स, यूज करो, मुफ्त में यूज करो, भगवान जी ने दिया आपको यूज करने के लिए, ठीक है ना? Done, everyone. Thank you so much. This was wonderful. Just being with all of you. I'm so happy we could do this. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Thank you.
Thank you for the amazing
Bye.
session. Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.